In a world filled with power struggles and injustice, one voice is rising louder than ever. Ibrahim Traoré, the young leader of Burkina Faso, has once again left the global stage in shock. This time, his powerful message was directed at the United Nations, and his final warning was aimed at none other than Benjamin Netanyahu. The UN hall went silent as Traoré spoke with courage and determination. He reminded the world that leaders are chosen to protect people, not to destroy lives for personal gain. With his eyes firm and his voice unshaken, Traoré warned Netanyahu that the world is watching, and history will not forgive those who choose oppression over peace. He spoke of the suffering of the innocent, the cries of children, and the destruction of entire communities. He declared that no amount of power, no weapons, and no lies can silence the truth. Traoré's words carried the weight of justice, echoing like thunder in the hearts of those who heard him. The world is used to political speeches, but Traoré's message was different. It was not written for applause or diplomacy. It was a warning, a final call for humanity, justice, and dignity. He told Netanyahu that the days of ignoring the suffering of the oppressed are over, and that a new era of resistance has begun. Traoré's boldness shocked the UN, but it inspired millions. His courage has made him a symbol of hope, not just for Africa, but for oppressed people everywhere. His final warning is clear. Justice will rise, and no leader, no matter how powerful, can stand against the truth forever. The world is now left with a question. Will Netanyahu listen, or will history remember him as a man who ignored the warning of justice? This is not just a story of one leader against another. It is the story of truth against lies, light against darkness, and justice against oppression. And Ibrahim Traoré has made it clear. History will not forgive those who choose the side of injustice. Thank you for watching. If you believe in justice, truth, and freedom, make sure to subscribe to Traore Life and join us as we continue to share the voice of a leader who dares to speak what others fear. Together, we rise.